Welcome to our user tutorial of the beveling machine CHP 60G from CEVISA. The CHP 60G bevels to a depth of 60 mm and plates up to 70 mm thickness. This machine is suitable for heavy gauge materials, anti-wear materials and customers that require a machining finishing. Its robust construction will give many years of service. It is easy to use and to transport as the smaller models. The power of the motor has got 4 kilowatts. The milling head has got a diameter of 80 mm and is equipped with 7 cutting inserts. The minimum dimensions of plates for this machine should be 100 mm width and a length of 250 mm. You can choose a bevel angle between 15 and 70 degrees. The electric cabling must have 4 poles, 3 faces and earth connection. Check if the compressed air installation of your company has at least 5 bar. On the electric box you will find the button to lower the machine and another button to lift the machine. To change the bevel angle, loose the 8 screws, 4 on each side. Turning the handle, you can raise or lower the bevel angle. To the right means bigger bevel angle, to the left smaller, until the pointer is at the desired position at the graduated semicircle. Tight the 8 screws again. Each time we change our bevel angle, we have to look for our zero again. How it works we will show you now. Loose the cutter, moving forward the black handle. Turn the hand wheel to bring backward the liner. Place a small sample plate in front of the cutting tool. Before you fix the plate, please make sure that this one is correctly adjusted to the back. To fix the material, press using one finger of each hand the black 2 hand buttons until the green pilot light switches on. This means that we reach the working pressure. Lower now slowly the cutter, turning the hand wheel until we hear that the cutters touch the material. We have found our zero. Mark also the zero on the electronic display. tighten out the cutter again. We will show you now how to calculate the penetration of the cutter. You will find this table on the machine or in the handbook. Our example is calculated with 45 degrees and material of 80 kilos resistance. We have chosen a height B of 30 millimeters and we will calculate our penetration A. The formula for this is A is our height B multiplied with sinus alpha. On this table, we have already calculated the sinus alpha for the most common angle. So our calculation is A is 30 millimeters multiplied with 0.71. This gives us a penetration A of 21.3. This is the value we have to introduce in our electronic display. With a look on our first table, we see that we should do this in 4 passes. Fix the liner moving backwards the black handle. We are ready now to start beveling. To adjust the speednesses, we have 2 potentiometers on the electrical box. According to the material to be beveled, we need to follow the instruction on the corresponding table, making any needed adjustment depending on the machine's performance during the beveling. Following, we will show you different options how you can work with our CHP 60G. With small plates, the machine fixed, and without interrupting the process, losing the material. Beveling of armocks, the CHP 60G together with the CHP 60G invert, working parallelly, and this way we don't need to turn the plates. with an accessory for smaller plates than the minimum dimensions. We can also perform J-bevels with the J-bevel device specially designed for this purpose.